Blockchain 360 is now conducting bot trading workshops. Our insightful trainings reveal profitable bot trading strategies and analysis. With friendly community support, we grow together progressively. You will discover our trainings are very meaningful, insightful, and profitable. Here are few testimonials after our beneficial workshops.
In the workshop, I learned that the profitable method is easy to follow. So far, I'm getting a good result. Let me show you one of my profitable results. As you can see here, over here, you see in my BBET account,
I joined their AI bot trading workshop. In the workshop, I learned that artificial intelligence signals and bot trading can be used as passive profitable method to have consistent result. Even though I do not have any profit or trading experience so far, I'm getting several weeks of consistent results with my bot trading. Let me show you one of my profitable results. This is one of the many positive trades that my bot made in my BadBit account.
Being part of the support group or the community after these sessions helped me in further understanding about the various moves in the Bitcoin market and how to make sense of it. Kudos to Eugene and his team for doing a tremendous job in sharing that knowledge.